Good morning, friends. My name is Dr. B. Suresh Babu, professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. In this session, we are going to have a assembling of a tailstock. First of all, what is a tailstock? If you observe the screen, this observed portion is a cross section of the main body. That green one is going to be called as the main body. That has to be assembled with a number of spare parts. There are 8 spare parts are there to complete this assembling diagram of this tailstock. If you observe this tailstock is the rear portion of a lathe machine. Think every mechanical engineer having a familiar with this tailstock. Without having a tailstock, lathe machine cannot fulfill its complete work. So lathe machine has a headstock as well as tailstock. Tailstock is at the rear portion and headstock is at the front portion. Workpieces are going to be kept in between the headstock and between the tailstock if the length is very large. So tailstock plays a vital role in performing machining operations on the lathe. So lathe is widely used one of the machine, or we can say one of the a familiar or useful one to all mechanical engineers. As a part of this assembling diagram, I have taken this tailstock as the one in this class. Why this tailstock is? It is having nearly 7 parts are there which has to be assembled. So let us have a look on the how assembling is going to be done in this tailstock portion. If you observe this one, tailstock is going to have a number of features. If you observe this one, first one is going to be called as the body. Second one is going to be called as the barrel. Third one is going to be called the spindle. Next one is center. Next one is nut. And next one is going to be clamping plate. Next one is going to be the spindle bearing. And next one is washer and feather key. And a hand wheel is there. So all these screw, all these has to be assembled in the given body. So if you observe this given body contains center, hand wheel, clamping, screws, all these are going to be assembled. Now you are going to visualize how the line diagram of this is going to be observed in the form of grid lines I have shown. First one, this is called as a center, which holds the workpiece at one part, at the rear part. This one is going to be called the nut and washer. Now we are going to see how these are disassembled. This is the hand wheel and we have a feather key, screw. Those are going to be removed from this one if you observe this video. Next one is we have a barrel is there. That barrel is assembled with a spindle bearing. We have removed this spindle bearing. Thereby we have a spindle is going to be out of this body. Next one is going in the front portion. We have a barrel. Already I told this barrel is assembled to the this main body. To the barrel a slot is there that called as a key, which arrests the motion of the workpiece not coming to the motion of the barrel not coming to this one. So if you observe how the parts are there, all these parts has to be assembled here. This is the last portion. That means after assembling all the tailstock, this has to be assembled to the lathe at the bed position. That means on the bed we are going to assemble with nut, clamp and a screw with washer. So this is the main body. One is called as a front view and second one is called as a left hand side view. The dimensions are going to be matched here. If you observe this one, How to assemble? For assembling two components, dimensions has to be matched. That's what on the screen we are showing with help of a red diagram. That is for that this is called as a hand wheel. Hand wheel has four screws, 15 mm long. So the dimensions are matching here. Next, this is a main body, and main body has number of dimensions, and this is going to be the position where we are going to keep the barrel in the main body. As barrel dimensions is 38 in diameter, length is 175. So 38 diameter is can be matched with 38 barrel diameter. The in body we have internal diameter, here we have a external diameter, so these two can be matched. This is how the cross section, how it is observed after fixing barrel in the main body of the tailstock. So we have a second part is barrel. We have matched like this. As barrel has a slot, already I told in the previous slides, we have a key is there. That key is going to be assembled with the barrel in the main body. Then we have a tapered hole. This is internal square thread to fit the spindle. So this is called spindle. Spindle have a square thread is there. Barrel is going to have a square thread. So these two are going to be assembled one with each other, as red line shows the diameters how they are going to be matching. Next, if you observe this one, this is called as the center. Center is going to be assembled with front portion of the body, as you can have this on the screen. Next, this spindle is assembled with hand wheel with the rear portion. The dimensions 18 mm is matching with this 18 mm of this spindle. That's why these two can be matched. As a spindle is assembled to the main body with help of a four screws are there. Already these are displaying here. These screws are going to fit into this main body, thereby we are going to arrest the movement of the spindle inside that one. Next, after that one we are going to fix hand wheel. Hand wheel is going to be assembled to the spindle with help of a feather key slot, so that it will fix there. So that when we are going to rotate this hand wheel, thereby inside we have a barrel is there. Barrel rear portion is spindle that can be going to be rotated. So these are the elements to fix the tailstock in the barrel. In the sense, tailstock is fitted to the bed of this one. So barrel is the upper portion, and at the rear portion, that is at the bottom side, we are going to have this one. That means these are the grid lines of the tailstock. We can observe this one. So nut is there. Nut is fixed to the bed of the tailstock. Thereby we can complete the operation of the assembling. Thank you.